the role of glucose control is equally important. And there they list out which are the drugs which maximum lower the glucose, next efficacy, and the least efficacy.
They emphasize on lifestyle modification also to achieve the weight for every individual, and underlies the importance of controlling other comorbid disease.
But in the low-income countries, we must prioritize diabetes control and access to treatment.